Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods and case have power because low battery interrupts pairing. Now open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. This is how devices discover each other. With the case lid open, hold it close to the device so the pairing animation appears. Once done, tap Connect when prompted to establish the link. This completes the initial handshake and lets you access AirPods-specific settings like name and controls. Once paired, go back to Bluetooth and tap the eye icon next to your AirPods to reveal settings. This is where you control behavior and why it matters. Change double tap or press and hold actions to pick Siri, play/pause, or next track for faster control. Make sure automatic ear detection suits you because it pauses audio when removed. Also set which microphone is used and rename the device so it's easy to find across other Bluetooth lists and devices. Finish by testing playback, microphone, and gestures so you confirm the settings work in real scenarios. This helps you detect mismatches early. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the light flashes, then retry pairing. This clears glitches. Make sure your device OS and AirPods firmware are up to date, because updates fix connectivity bugs and add features. If problems persist, reboot your phone and attempt pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.